Chapter 4 Linear Inequations in one variable. In an inequations, the sign greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to are called sign of inequality. First rule. On transferring the positive term from one side of an inequation to its other side, the sign of the term becomes negative. Example, 2x plus 3 greater than 7. When you transfer to the right hand side, plus 3 will become minus 3. Second example, 5x plus 4 is less than or equals to 15. When you transfer plus 4 to the right hand side, it will become minus 4. Rule 2. On transferring a negative term from one side of an inequation to its other side, the sign becomes positive. Means, here take an example, 2x minus 3 is greater than 7. When you transfer minus 3 to the right hand side, it will become positive. Second example, 5x minus 4 is less than or equals to 50. When you transfer minus 4 to the right hand side, it will become plus 4. Rule 3. If each term of an inequation is multiplied or divided by same positive number, the sign of inequality remains the same. Take an example, means x less than and equals to 6. When you multiply both the terms by positive number, that is 4, the sign will not change. Second example, x less than and equals to 2. When you divide by the positive integers to both the terms, still the sign will not change. Rule 4. If each term of an inequation is multiplied or divided by the same negative number, the sign of equality reverses. Take an example, x less than and equals to 6. When we multiply by the same minus 4 on both the sides, the sign will change. That is, minus 4x is greater than or equals to minus 4 into 6. Same way for division. Suppose x is greater than or equals to y, but when you divide by minus 2 on both the sides, it will become less than and equal to sign. The sign will reverse. Rule 5. If sign of each term on both the sides of an inequation is changed, means you multiply by minus sign on both the sides, the sign of inequality gets reversed. Okay, so take an example and it applies for both the sides. If minus x greater than and equals to 5, multiply both the sides by minus sign, the sign will change. And if this is given, x is less than and equals to minus 5, when you multiply both the sides by minus sign, again the sign will change. Same, take another example, 3y less than and equals to 15. When you multiply both the sides by minus sign, the sign will change. So it will be minus 3y greater than or equal to minus 15. Rule 6. If both the sides of an inequation are positive or both are negative, then taking their reciprocals, the sign of inequality reverses. Take an example, x is greater than y. When you take the reciprocal, it will become 1 upon x less than 1 upon y. Same way, other way also. If 1 upon x is less than 1 upon y, when you take reciprocal, x is greater than y. Second example, x is less than or equals to y. When you take reciprocal, 1 upon x is greater than or equal to 1 upon y. Exercise 4a. State true or false. First question, x is less than minus y. So it's changing the sign or multiplying by minus sign. You get minus x greater than y. Yes. So the given statement is true. Second example, minus 5x is greater than or equals to 50. When you divide both the sides by minus 5, the sign will change. Here it does not change. So the given statement is false. 2x is less than or equal to minus 7. Dividing both the sides by minus 4, the sign has to change. Yes. So 2x upon minus 4 is greater than or equals to minus 7 upon minus 4. Therefore, the given statement is true. Fourth sum. 7 greater than 5. Taking reciprocal, sign has to change. 1 upon 7 less than 1 upon 5. Yes, here it is greater than, it is less than. Therefore, the given statement is true. Second sum, state whether the following statements are true or false. First part, if A is less than B, then subtracting both the sides by the same number. No, the sign will not change. Yes, A minus C is less than B minus C. Therefore, the given statement is true. Second sum, if A is greater than B, adding both the side by the same term. Therefore, the sign will not change. Yes, A plus C is greater than B plus C. The given statement is true because sign is not changing. If A is less than B, then AC is greater than BC. When multiplying by the same number, sign should not change. But here the sign is, here it is less than sign, here it is greater than sign. Therefore, the given statement is false. Fourth sum, if A is greater than B, here dividing by the same number, sign should not change, but it is less than sign, different change of sign. So the given statement is false. Fifth sum, if A minus C is greater than B minus D, then D is taken to the left hand side, plus sign is there. Correct. Okay. C is taken to the right hand side, plus sign is there. Yes, and sign is also not changed. So the given statement is true. Sixth sum, if A is less than B and C greater than 0, then when you subtract of same number on both the sides, positive number, sign should not change. But here it is opposite. Therefore, the given statement is false. Third sum, if x belongs to natural number, find the solution set of the inequation. First part, 5x plus 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 18. 2x will shift to left hand side, it will become minus 2x. 3x will shift to right hand side, it will become minus 3, and the sign will remain same. So we get 5x minus 2x is less than or equals to 18 minus 3. 5 minus 2, 3x, less than and equals to 18 minus 3, 15. Now we will divide by plus 3 on both the sides. Sign will not change. We will get x is less than and equals to 5. Because since x belongs to natural number and it is less than and equals to 5, so solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Second part, 3x minus 2 less than 19 minus 4x. 4x I shift to left hand side will become plus 4x. Minus 2 right hand side will become plus 2 and the sign will remain the same. We get 3x plus 4x less than 19 plus 2. 3x plus 4x 7x less than 21. Now divide both the sides by 7 on 7. We will get x less than 3. Since solution set x belongs to natural number, solution set will be 1 and 2.